Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and press your palms away. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Adding on, inhale at the top, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach one arm down the leg of your chair and the opposite arm up and overhead. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, moving at your own pace, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Adding on, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.